Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Mechen D53 MP3 Player, a simple throwback device that proves you don't always need streaming apps or constant notifications to enjoy your music. The first thing you notice is how classic and lightweight it feels. The rectangular design slips easily into your pocket, and the physical buttons are honestly refreshing. Every click gives real feedback, making it easy to skip tracks or adjust volume without staring at a touchscreen. The small display is clear, showing only what matters, keeping the whole experience distraction-free. What's even more surprising is the sound quality. For a budget MP3 player, the D53 delivers clean, balanced audio with punchy bass that doesn't overpower vocals or detail. Whether you're listening to pop, rock, or jazz, it stays consistent without distortion or harshness. Battery life is another big win. It lasts for hours, making it perfect for commutes, workouts, or travel, and charging is simple with a standard USB connection. File management is effortless too, just drag and drop your music. No apps, no accounts, no complicated setup. Overall, the Mechen D53 is a no-fuss music player built for people who just want pure, simple listening anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.